Hello friends, welcome again to the TestGAN Developers. Good to see that you all are interested in learning web development. Till now, we have seen most of the important topics about web development. Soon, we will start to design our own web page. For that, you should first understand the basic concepts. You can find those in our previous videos. It will help you to understand what you are doing exactly. Without basic concepts, nothing is meaningful. We have followed the same concept or same technique from our childhood. We first learned, in case of English language, we first learned alphabets. Then, using those alphabets, we learned word formation, then sentence formation, and so on. Similarly, we are first learning basic building blocks of web. Now, let's move towards today's topic. Today, we are going to learn domain name system. Now, for that, we will first understand what exactly is the domain name. Domain names are used to identify internet resources. Here, internet resources means you are referring to web pages and websites. We have seen that when we request any web page, we type its address in human readable language, means in English. But computers don't understand our language. To find the requested web page, it is first converted to get its IP address. But we can't remember these many IP addresses. So for simplicity, text-based labels are given to the internet resources. Domain names are used to establish unique identity of these internet resources. Means each and every internet resources is assigned with a unique domain name. Now, what is domain name system? It is the system which keeps records of IP addresses and their corresponding domain names that are alphabetic names. Have you seen old phone book at your home? There are pages which are categorized alphabetically. We write person's contact numbers there. If anyone's name is starting with A, then it is written in the section which is reserved for alphabet A. Similarly, for alphabet B, C, D up to Z. The advantage of this phone book is that we don't need to remember anyone's 10-digit numbers. We can access those numbers using their names. Similarly, DNS also maps domain names to their corresponding IP addresses. Now, what DNS does? DNS means domain name system. In domain name systems keeps the record of IP addresses and their domain names in the form of table in tabular format. Whenever request is generated, it finds its IP address according to its domain name. Now, how to register a domain? For registering domain name means putting your website on internet, you first have to buy that domain name. And when we buy any domain, it is added to a large domain name register. Also, with domain name, another information like its IP address, its type, your contact information also is added to the register. Also, your IP address is stored in DNS system. Now, there are many domain name extension types are available. Some of which are .com, .edu, .net, .in, .gov, .org, .biz, .info, etc. Now we will see its uses. Here are some popular domain extensions and their uses are given. First is .com. It is commonly used type of domain extensions. It stands for company or commercial. It can be used for any website. .org. Org stands for organization. If you belong to any organization which is non-profit based, then you can use this extension for its website. US and .in. .in stands for India and US stands for United States. If the website is based on country names, then you can use this country specific domain extensions. .gov. Gov stands for government. If you are designing a particular website for government organization, then you can use this extension. .biz. Biz stands for business. It is for business organizations. Now .info. Info stands for information. This can be very useful when you are designing a website for any information site. Then .tv. TV stands for television. If you are designing a website for television channel, then it can use this extension .tv extension. There are also some more extensions available in the market. Now that's it for today's video. Soon we will meet in our next video, and till then stay tuned, keep learning. If you find this information helpful, then like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.